friends. I received something in the mail the other day from one of my subscribers. Maria in Florida sent me a bottle of Australian Floetrol. So kind and generous. I just can't believe it. I'm super excited to give it a try. So thank you so much, Maria. So I'm going to try a swipe, of course, with that. So, and you know me, I like to experiment. So I'm using the Fluid Art paints again, the Liquitex Fluid paints. So I mixed up my pouring medium of Floetrol, just regular Floetrol, American Floetrol, and Liquitex. And then I mixed that 5 parts PM to 1 part of the liquid paint. And look how nice and rich and dark that is. So that'll be the base coat. My colors I mixed the same way. I decided to try the Liquitex in the fluid in gold, but it's a very pale gold. I had sitting by some, I don't know where this was. I think it might have been Master's Touch Gold, so it's a different color, which is lovely. Some Artist Loft metallic bronze. And then I had another one that I think was bronze, and I added some Naples yellow to it, so it would be a different color than that one. So, and those I mixed with the same pouring medium as the black. I will detail all of this down below. And for the cell activator, I mixed 3 parts of Australian Floetrol, and I couldn't find my Amsterdam white. I have some somewhere, so I used Liquitex, and we're going to see. Not the fluid, but the tube paint. 3 parts Australian Floetrol to 1 part of the paint. And let's see how that works. So, I got this mixed up really well, I hope, and here we go. I want to keep a good amount of negative space. So that's my plan. I'm not going to go crazy with the swiping. So I'll spread that out a little bit first. Okay. My torch is here. Why do I always use black on the day I haven't washed my hair? Seems to go that way. Oh well. Okay. I'm going to sit down and get to work. Now, so I've been watching some of Molly's artistries because I think she does a really nice job with her swipes, and I think so I'm using her recipe for the base coat, but not the paints, and I don't know what to expect. And this is I think this other gold and the bronze were not mixed. Well, they were already mixed. So, excuse me. They were sitting on my table. I'm pretty sure they were just Floetrol, American Floetrol, and paint. But the gold, this one, was mixed with the Liquitex. I misspoke when I said they were mixed. The same as the base. I'm going to add a little more of this even. This is it's a Naples yellow, deep. Because I don't know that my metallics, I don't know. Never tried this before. I'm afraid they might just get lost in there, so I have some matte paint mixed in there. I think it's still thin enough. All right. And now Got a nice little palette knife here. It's got a nice deep angle, so it should be able, I should be able to glide it across easily. And I don't know how much to put on here. If I want a thick coat or not, we'll find out. But I think I do want the whole width of the palette knife to have paint on it, the whole length rather. Okay. You know what, I have to turn this like this so it's easy for me to swipe. I'm going to swipe away from me. I think that'll be most comfortable. I think you could still see that. And here we go. I'll go right down the middle. Or not. Oh boy. Oh, wow. Wow. Oh, that is amazing. What's that? I just dripped something in there. Not drip, it's a piece of something. Okay. Wow. Now what? Should I hit it with a torch? I don't know that I need to. Maybe up here. I don't think that's necessary. All right. Well, I think I need to do that again. Looking forward to oh, misplaced my little cell activator canister. So I would say I had it like a medium amount on here. It's not thick, it's not super thin on my palette knife. Wild. Wild, wild, wild. That is, you know, there's such interesting color on the palette knife here. Let me just run it along the edge here and see what that looks like, just so I'll know. It's most likely going to get tilted off. Or not. I kind of like that. Wow. Okay. Now what? The cell activator is really working well. The colors, you know, concentrated in here, but they're kind of shy. All right, I'm going to tilt it around and then maybe I'll come back and add some more. Maybe I don't want that stuff over there. I'm almost shaking with excitement. This is so interesting. Coming over here. Should I add some more black? I have it. Well, there goes that interesting stuff that I had there, but that's okay. As I said, I want to maintain a lot of negative space, so that's why. How weird. Well, I'm liking the effect very much. I don't know that I like the composition so much. But I don't know what to do. Which way to go with it? I think I'll try to do something over here. Yeah, I just reach that edge. That's good. Oh, that's much better than having that form just floating out there. I'd like to get this over here. Can I do it? Without sacrificing everything else? I really stretched a lot, maybe overstretched it, but I like it. I think I'm going to stop. Let me bring you in for a closer look at this. Good looking cells there, and that lacing, that is what is so exciting. I did stretch it way out of itself, but for my first try, I'm not unhappy with it. It's going to be great fun to experiment with this. Maria, thank you again. I can't thank you enough. This was such a wonderful surprise, and I'm super excited and looking forward to experimenting some more. Well, thank you, my friends, for being with me on my Aussie Floetrol maiden voyage. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.